How to install a punch lock clamp. Step number 1, loop the band through the clip. This should be done while on the hose. Step number 2, loop the band through the clip one more time. Once the band is through the clip, pull tight. In order to use the tool, push forward to release and pull backwards to tighten. Step number 3, release the tool in order to insert the band into the tool. Step number 4, tighten the band using the tool by pulling towards you. Step number 5, hit the punch dial with a hammer. Step number 6, release the band by pushing forward on the tool. Step number 7, cut off the excess band. And step number 8, use the hammer to bend back the exposed band over the clamp.